Hello everyone, my name is Jaden Harwig and I am a sophomore undergraduate studying at the University of Wisconsin-Eau Claire. I'm part of the Wisconsin Addiction Research Laboratory studying the effects of alcohol on aged rats. According to the CDC, alcohol is a major public health issue in the United States. Excessive alcohol use causes around 178,000 deaths each year, making it one of the four most preventable causes of death. As found by the NIH, Wisconsin has a higher than average adult drinking rate of 64.4% compared to the national average of 55.1%. This ranks Wisconsin as the third highest state for adult alcohol consumption. Economically, binge drinking in Wisconsin costs almost $4 billion every year. In 2022, 924 people in Wisconsin were killed by suicide. 1,459 died due to opioid overdoses. 3,331 individuals experienced alcohol-attributable deaths. Alcohol misuse is the epidemic we decided we could live with. The average age of Wisconsin and this country is increasing, and for the older population, the rate of alcohol consumption is not only expanding, but at a faster rate than younger age groups. According to the Wisconsin Department of Health Services, this current aged population is growing and is projected to nearly double from 2010 to 2040. It is also important to consider the fact that older people use healthcare significantly more than their younger counterparts. Link the increased size of the aging population and increased alcohol use within the current aged population, resulting in a large-scale burden on the healthcare system, a critical public health issue. There is a vital need to understand the impacts of alcohol, specifically looking at the aged population. Using a variety of standard lab testing methods, including models analyzing movement and cognition, our lab, through a preclinical animal model, can assess the physical and mental impact of alcohol use. Our most recent research has shown a variety of different results in the effects of acute alcohol exposure, most principally significant sex and age differences. Testing motor impairment, we have found that as a result of alcohol exposure, aged animals are more impaired than adults or adolescents. We have also found a sex difference in that aged males at lower doses of alcohol were significantly more impaired than aged females. This distinct sex difference is groundbreaking, and we are researching it from a variety of different angles. In a different experiment analyzing non-spatial learning, we found equal impairment at the same dose of alcohol between aged males and females. We are continuing this investigation on further sex differences and the possible biomechanisms at play. In addition, we have identified one peptide in the brain which has evidence of attributing to the sex differences. Overall, this research uncovers both the sex and age-dependent effects of acute alcohol exposure. This data not only provides greater information for healthcare workers, but can be used in the production of medications and applied in both the prevention and care of alcohol use and misuse. My research is focused on providing the necessary knowledge to help advance the scientific, alcohol treatment, and pharmaceutical communities, discovering the required information to help cure this undiscussed epidemic. Thank you for listening. Again, my name is Jaden Hartwig, and here are some sources.